So a birdie got stuck in the chimney and then up there. Where's the birdie?
It was right there. I got scared again.
Oh, well, the birdie was in the chimney. It was like stuck on this tube, and then my brother opened this. He opened this door, and the birdie just came flying out, and he hit that wall right there, and he got stuck like between the couch.
And it doesn't have the door open, but it doesn't know that the door is where it's supposed to go.
Yeah, I know, cause it thinks that the windows are like you can go through them.
Man, I have to be in class right now.
I could maybe take care of it.
Do you think you can grab it and take it out?
I don't know, cause I'm scared of birdies.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We have like seeds or anything I can get. I can show it on the front of the little seed or something.
A little seed might help. Yeah. Give it something that's not toxic.
Like a little sesame seed or something.
I hope those seeds are not toxic. I hope sesame seeds are not toxic to little birdies.
It's okay.
Is it eating it?
No.
Oh, you guys can see the birdie. There's a birdie.
Sorry, I didn't know you were right
Yeah, it's fine.
there.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes!
Oh,
It went out.
Holy shit.
That was hard. All right.